Hey there, drone enthusiasts! Are you ready to take your passion to new heights and turn it into a business? Why wouldn't you be? You clicking on this video proves you fly drones with your eyes closed, so why not get some living from it? I'm Alan, and I'm here to guide you through the exciting world of drone video production. In this guide, we're going to dive deep into all the aspects of creating stunning drone videos for real estate agents, construction companies, events, and any other businesses that wants to showcase their products and services from a whole new perspective. From understanding the technology behind drones, to finding your niche in the market, to building a strong portfolio, we'll be covering it all. We will also discuss the various methods for finding clients, establishing your brand and pricing, and delivering the final product. So whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a complete beginner, this guide will provide you with all the information and tips you need to start your own drone video production business. Get ready to soar to new heights and capture the world from above. Understanding drone technology. So, you're still thinking about diving into the world of drone video production, huh? That's great, but first, let's talk about the most important tool you will need. The drone! What? Was that too obvious? Let's carry on. Now, when it comes to choosing the right drone for your business, there are a ton of options out there. It can get pretty overwhelming, but don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate it all. First things first, let's talk about the different types of drones available. There are consumer drones, prosumer drones, and professional drones. Consumer drones are great for hobbyists and are typically more affordable, but they might not have the capabilities you need for professional video production. On the other hand, professional drones can be quite expensive, but they offer a ton of advanced features that can help you take your videos to the next level. Now, if you are even considering buying one from AliExpress, I've got bad news for you. You are not making it past step 1.
This is Elon Musk.
So what should you look for when choosing a drone? Well, here are a few key things to keep in mind. Camera quality. Make sure the drone you choose has a good quality camera that can capture high-resolution videos. Flight time. The longer the flight time, the more footage you can capture in one go. Range. Make sure the drone has a decent range so you can cover large areas. Stability. A stable drone is essential for capturing smooth and steady videos. Now, when it comes to the brand, there are a ton of options out there, but some of the most popular brands in the market include DJI, Parrot, and Autel Robotics. DJI in particular has a wide range of drones that cater to different needs and budgets. Their Mavrik Air 2, for example, is a great option for those looking for a drone that's both affordable and capable. When it comes to prices, well, that's a whole other ballgame. You can get a consumer drone for under $500, while a professional drone can easily set you back $10,000 or more. But remember, you get what you pay for, so make sure you invest in a drone that meets your needs and capabilities. So that's a brief overview of the different types of drones and what you should look for when choosing one. And don't forget, before you take your drone for a spin, make sure you familiarize yourself with the regulations and laws surrounding drone usage in your area. Finding your niche in the market. Okay folks, now that we've got a basic understanding of drones, it's time to find out where we can fit in the market. So buckle up, because we're about to go on a wild ride to discover the ins and outs of drone video production market. First of all, let's take a look at the demand for drone videos. It's safe to say that there's a growing interest in drone video production, especially in the real estate industry. Real estate agents are using drone videos to showcase their properties and give potential buyers a bird's-eye view of the property and its surroundings. But that's not all. Construction companies are using drone videos to document their progress and create virtual tours of their projects. Event planners are even using drones to capture stunning aerial shots of their events. The possibilities are endless. Now that we've got a good idea of the potential target audience, it's time to take a look at the competition. Don't worry, I'm not suggesting we all go ninja and sneak into our competitors' offices, although that could be fun. What I mean is, take a look at other drone video production companies and see what they're offering and how they're differentiating themselves. This will give you a good idea of what you need to do to stand out in the market. Here's a tip: try to find a niche within the market that has not been explored yet. For example, maybe you specialize in creating drone videos for vineyards and wineries, or maybe you create drone videos for parks and outdoor recreational areas. Get creative and think outside the box. Okay, so now that we've got our niche, it's time to start building our portfolio. A strong portfolio is crucial in attracting new clients and showing them what you're capable of. Chapter 4. Creating a strong portfolio. Show them what you're made of. So, you're ready to start approaching clients, but first things first, you gotta have something to show them. That's where a strong portfolio comes in handy. Think of it like a dating profile. You want to show your best side to impress, right? Same goes for your drone video business. A strong portfolio can make or break a potential client's decision to work with you. Let's start with taking high-quality drone videos. Now, I'm no expert, but here are a few tips I've picked up along the way. Firstly, make sure the drone's camera is set to the highest resolution possible. The higher the resolution, the better the video quality. Secondly, don't be afraid to get creative with your shots. Get up high for a bird's eye view and then drop down low for an eye-level shot. Experiment with different angles and movements. Thirdly, make sure to check the lighting before you start filming. Early mornings and late afternoons are the best times to shoot because the light is soft and warm. And finally, invest in a good stabilizer or gimbal to keep your shots smooth and steady. Now that you have your raw footage, it's time to edit. Remember, editing is where you bring the video to life. Add music, sound effects, and transitions to make your videos more engaging and entertaining. And don't forget to add text or captions to provide context and explain what's happening in the video. Once you have a few high-quality drone videos in your portfolio, it's time to show them off to the world. There are many platforms you can use to showcase your portfolio, including your own website, YouTube, Vimeo, and social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Just make sure to optimize your videos for each platform so they look and sound their best. Chapter 5. Building your client base. Now that you got some amazing drone footage, it's time to find some clients who need it. This can be a bit intimidating, especially if you're just starting out, but don't worry, I've got your back. Let's start with the basics. You've got to know your target audience. Who needs drone videos? Well, for starters, real estate agents love them. They use them to show off their listings, give a bird's eye view of the property and neighborhood. It's a total game changer. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Construction companies use them to show progress on their projects. Event planners use them to showcase their event spaces, and the list goes on. Once you have figured out your target audience, it's time to start networking. Attend local events, join industry groups, and introduce yourself to people in your target market. It may sound old-fashioned, but word of mouth is still one of the best ways to get new clients. Another option is cold emailing. Now, I know nobody likes getting those spam emails, but if you do it right, it can be a great way to reach potential clients. Do your research, find a list of potential clients, and send them a personalized email showcasing your work and explaining what sets you apart from your competitors. When you finally land that first client, it's important to deliver your best work and exceed their expectations. You want to make sure they're happy with the final product and, more importantly, that they will tell their friends about you. Word of mouth is your best friend in this business. Building your client base takes time, effort, and persistence. But if you're passionate about what you do and deliver high-quality work, you'll be able to grow your business in no time. Establishing your brand and pricing. Okay guys, it's time to get serious. Kind of. We're talking about establishing your brand and pricing, two important aspects of running a successful drone video production business. First, let's talk about your brand. Your brand is what sets you apart from all the other drone video producers out there. Think of it as your calling card, the thing that people remember you by. Your brand should be professional and cohesive, like a suit and tie. But don't be afraid to add a little personality to it too. After all, you want to stand out, not blend in. Now let's talk about pricing. This can be a tricky one, because you want to be competitive, but you also want to make a profit. It's like trying to walk a tightrope in a suit and tie. The key is to research your competition, see what they're charging, and then set your prices a little higher or lower depending on the market. Just remember, if you're offering top-notch quality, you can charge top-notch prices. It's like a nice steak. You expect to pay a little more for it, but it's worth it. Establishing your brand and pricing is not rocket science, but it's not a walk in the park either. Just remember, if you want to run a successful drone video production business, you need to have a strong brand and competitive pricing. That's the recipe for success. Conclusion. Well folks, we've come to the end of our guide on starting a drone video production business. I hope you found all the information helpful and that you're feeling inspired to take the next step. Starting a business can be a big challenge, but with hard work and determination, you can create a successful and fulfilling career in drone video production. And remember, if at first you don't succeed, fly again. If you enjoyed this guide and found it valuable, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any new and helpful content. And who knows, maybe one day you will be the one sharing your tips and tricks for success in the drone video production world. So are you ready to take the leap and start your own drone video production business? The sky is the limit. Let's go!